The curve screen is located in the upper right quadrant of the PRC 700 control. To open the curve screen, double-tap on the upper right quadrant. Once inside the curve screen, you will notice that it is laid out in a traditional X and Y axis graph. For the PRC 700, the vertical axis by default displays force. By default, the horizontal axis displays position. However, these axis options can be changed by utilizing the buttons located below the graph. The buttons are force stroke, force time, and stroke time. The curve screen features zoom functionality to closely inspect your press curve. Zooming can be accomplished by using the 4 magnifying glass icons located in the left side toolbar. Additionally, you can use 2 fingers directly placed on the screen to zoom or expand as you typically would on any touchscreen device. The 4 zoom icons are Zoom Plus, Zoom Minus, Zoom All, and Zoom Auto. Zoom Plus allows you to draw a rectangle around the desired area you want to zoom in on. Zoom Minus returns the screen to its normal position. Zoom All takes you to the extent of the curve window. Zoom Auto zooms in on only the curve area. Located directly under the 4 zoom icons is the Measure icon. This allows the user to measure a defined point on the curve. The next widely used icon is the Settings icon. This is the bottom icon with a wrench displayed on it. This tool allows the user to change the overall appearance of the curve screen. Options include designating the number of previous curves displayed. There are a multitude of color selections for the individual curves. The user can change the background color if desired. The Settings icon gives the user complete control on how the curve screen looks. Located on the right side of the control, you will see an icon with a red X. This is the Delete Curves icon. To delete the previous curves, press the icon. When the pop-up window opens, you will have the option to either confirm or cancel the deletion process.